Whether you're building a deck, crafting custom furniture, or just handling home repairs, having the right tools is essential. In today's video, we're diving into 6 incredibly efficient and versatile tools every DIYer should have in their workshop. These tools are designed for performance, accuracy, and ease of use, and they'll help you work smarter, not harder. From high-torque screwdrivers to rotary laser levels and professional-grade plastic welders, we've got everything you need to supercharge your next project. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Mini Belt Sander. This compact and powerful sanding machine is a must-have for anyone serious about sharpening, polishing, or finishing work. It's built with a full stainless steel body, making it rust-resistant and long-lasting. You can seamlessly switch between horizontal and vertical sanding surfaces, making it incredibly versatile. It also features variable speed control, so you can fine-tune the speed for delicate tasks or heavy-duty sanding. The safety design includes a button guard and motor protection cover, minimizing the risk of accidents. Whether you're shaping knife blades, polishing metal, or smoothing wood surfaces, this mini sander is a game-changer. Number 5. Worx Screwdriver Set. This smart cordless screwdriver by Worx brings innovation to the palm of your hand. Featuring a USB rechargeable 4V battery and 3-speed torque adjustment. Number 4. Plastic Welding Gun. Ideal for working with PVC banners, plastic panels, and even car bumpers. This 1600W hot air gun is an industrial-grade powerhouse. The adjustable temperature setting ranges from 20 to 600 degrees, letting you tackle a variety of materials with precision. It features a cool and hot air function, a strong airflow of up to 180 liters per minute, and a durable build for professional applications. Whether you're in auto repair, construction, or crafting, this welding tool provides strong, clean, and reliable seams. Its noise control, protective design, and included warranty make it a smart investment for serious DIYers and professionals alike. Number 3. Brick Trowel Tool. This 6-inch brick trowel is a must-have hand tool for any masonry or bricklaying project. Made from 55 carbon steel and fitted with a sturdy wooden handle, it's both durable and comfortable to use. Whether you're spreading mortar, leveling bricks, or shaping concrete, this tool provides the precision and balance needed for clean, professional-looking results. It's lightweight, easy to grip, and highly effective for both amateurs and seasoned builders. Simple yet essential, this trowel belongs in every serious DIY toolkit. Number 2. Laser Level Kit. If precision and alignment are your top priorities, this 500-meter rotary laser level kit will blow your mind. With ±5 degrees self-leveling range, 360 degrees rotation, and a laser visibility of up to 500 meters, this tool is built for large-scale projects. It comes with a tripod, 5-meter staff, and even laser goggles to make outdoor work easier. Perfect for construction, tiling, interior design, or landscaping. This level ensures flawless alignment whether you're working horizontally or vertically. With remote control support, temperature stability, and water resistance, this device is a high-tech upgrade for serious tasks. It even offers up to 20 hours of use on a single charge, giving you uninterrupted performance on job sites. Number 1. LAOA Magnetic Bits. Small but mighty, these S2 steel magnetic screwdriver bits are built to last. With high concentricity and a hardness rating of 58 ±2, these bits are extremely durable and wear-resistant. The bead-type detachable magnetic ring boosts magnetic force, helping you lock screws effortlessly and prevent slippage. Whether you're using an electric drill, hand driver, or rechargeable tool, these bits offer a precise, no-slip fit. They're perfect for electricians, technicians, and anyone who wants maximum efficiency when driving or removing screws. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.